Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about scatterplot using Matplotlib. Let's dive into Google Colab. So in the last class, we have learned about stacked bar chart. So today we'll continue about this. So for that, what I have to do, I just need to import the Matplotlib. So just mention import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Just execute, then scatterplot. So scatterplot is plotted when we have a two numerical data. So two axis or two data both should be numerical data. So I'll just call value 1. Value 1 is equal to like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then value 2 I'll just call it as like 10, 20, 30 and 40. So I have defined the variable. Now I'll just plot the scatter plot. How can I plot the scatter plot? Just mention plt dot scatter plot. Okay, scatter. Yes, scatter. Then mention value 1. In the x-axis, what kind of value I supposed to pass? In the y-axis, what kind of data I supposed to pass? It mention that. Okay. Then, if you want to provide title, just mention plt dot title. I'll just mention scatterplot. Scatterplot. If I want to provide x-axis label for the x-axis, plt.x label, then I'll just mention x value 1 data, and for y-axis I'll just put plt dot y label. I'll just mention val 2 data, plt dot show. That's it. So we got the scatter plot. So this is how we will be getting the scatter plot using Matplotlib. So I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.